Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally doing the room tour. I know I've been saying I'm gonna do the room tour for forever now, but this is the first time I think I've ever done a room tour, especially in this room. And I'm really excited to show y'all just everything. I know I've obviously showed lots of my room and okay, so when you walk in the room, this is what it looks like. I actually got really lucky with this bedroom. This room is so big and yeah, we moved here in 2020 October. And yeah, I have lots of fangirl stuff. I have filled it to the brim over the years. That's why it took me so long to do a room tour, because I was literally just decorating. I've been decorating for so long. So let's get into the first section back there. Okay, so coming over here right next to the door, I have my calendar, and then I have my little I call it my get ready station, about to leave. Throw on a shoe, grab a bag, and maybe a jacket if it's cold. But I also have some Tortured Poets pictures up there. I actually got those from the 2026 calendar. I got an extra one from Dollar Tree, and I made these little DIY posters with them. But here I have most of my jackets that I use for the winter time. I have my bonnet, lots of other jackets and stuff. I have my Eras Tour bag with just an old art stuff in here. I don't know, I keep random shit in all these bags. I have this little purse. This is my main bag I take everywhere, and I actually have my keychains on. I have this bag that I bring downstairs when I tan. I have all my tanning goods in here. Then here I have my school stuff. Now it's just art stuff because I don't go to high school anymore because I'm graduated. Down here I have all of my shoes. I've collected lots of shoes throughout the years. I have 2 pairs of Crocs. Those are my workout shoes. Those shoes I wear on a daily basis between those two. These 3, I don't wear high tops that much, but I've had these literally since middle school. I've had them forever because my feet do not grow, so I kind of got lucky with that. I've just been able to keep all of my shoes throughout the years. I have some Crocs and some dress shoes. Yeah. Last part of this section is this mirror. I have these little puff balls on the mirror, but I love this mirror. I got it for my birthday a year after we moved here, and I love it. And I also have my keyboard that I don't use a whole lot, but I use it once in a while. And when you move over here, we have my record shelf. I have lots of fun stuff here. If y'all follow the YouTube channel, you guys know that I do little record videos every year about my collection and just everything in general. I have my CDs and 7-inch singles right here for Record Store Day. I have so many CDs behind this light. I have magazines right here. I have some Funko Pops just sitting everywhere. I have a Sabrina Carpenter one, a Galinda one, Annabelle, and a Doja Cat one. Coming down here, I have Madison Beer's memoir, the half of it. I have another 7-inch single, and I have my Barbie movie, Barbie, just because she is so iconic, and the Barbie movie is just amazing. Now, I have in these 4 all of my records that I own and the rest of my Funko Pops. Up here, I have my bedside table because I just got this big old thing, so I use it as my bedside table. I have allergies, so I have some Kleenex. I have dehumidifier or I don't know, but it works. Crystal, a little like, I don't know, girl, I don't know. I have my melatonin back here, a lotion, because my hands and feet get so dry during the night. I also have my magnesium that I take. So that is my bedside table. I usually have a water here at night. I have obviously my turntable right here. We have Tortured Poets department on right now. I have an old Bible, another Bible, and another Bible. And then we have the little Sabrina Carpenter Funko Pop. And then we actually have the Eras Tour movie bucket, which I totally kept. Moving up, we have these old records. I got these for like $1 each. They're really old, just random records. I don't even know what is on them, to be honest. Do they work? I actually have not tested it out, but low-key want to. I have a little vine that I put because I felt like this wall was empty. So I added those little succulents and a little vine just for fun, I guess. Then moving, we have my bed. This is a queen size bed. It looks really big on camera though, like it looks long. And up here I literally just have all of my favorite pop girl posters. I collect these from my records. Some of these are from the calendar, I think. Oh, not that one. That one's from a CD. Lots of these are from CDs and records. I got that at the Are We Flying tour by Tate McRae. That is the only like tour poster I have up here, but yeah. And then I think this was 2022 calendar, was Speak Now Taylor's version. So I have lots of those set up on the side of my window, and then on this side I have records. I change these out like every few months just for different colors and just for fun. On the side of my bed we have some Squishmallows and little Build-A-Bear. This is where I have a charging station and a little extra fan. This is the fan I sleep with. It can go over here and it can go onto me on my desk area. And I love this little mirror. Sorry, I know I'm talking so much, but it's a lot in here, girl. Also, I do want to show you guys my view because this view is so beautiful. It is so pretty outside. Now moving on to my desk area, I have a little thing down here that keeps all my extra art supplies and work supplies, and I have a little blanket on top. I have my CD player, a salt lamp, my AirPods, and my Switch. I have my MacBook for all that stuff. And I have some art stuff and my drinks. Then I have my gaming setup. I have my Xbox right in there. My journals and a book that I'm reading. Headphones and my monitor. Also, I have my tripod for YouTube videos. I also, as decoration, added some vines here. It's kind of giving Stranger Things, but I love it. I have this mirror and a little evil eye. Then we have the barn door. I use this for my bathroom. And yeah, everyone, like, I see online people saying they're confused why people get barn doors for their bathrooms connected to their rooms because it would probably smell. Y'all, it literally doesn't smell at all, so I don't know what people are saying. But that's just me. We have the makeup area. This is the beauty station. I can do an in-depth vanity tour if y'all want, but I am not getting into the vanity in this video. No thank you. Also, girl, I literally just cleaned and I left a mug. I'm kind of irritated now. Over here, we have one of my favorite parts of my bedroom. I have my book station, my little bookshelf. I have my spiritual stuff. And a bunch of blankies. And then we have the TV up here. I love my TV so much. We got it for a really good deal as well. I forgot to show you guys my posters up here, but these are all from Records. Now moving into the bathroom. Y'all have seen this bathroom a lot throughout the vlogs because I love to do my skincare right here for you guys. But I have my, what's it called? Just some decor. I have a bunch of hygiene and skincare stuff, hair care. Just everything I own is right here. I have a bunch of stuff. I hoard also. Y'all, I also hoard old stuff, so do not judge me. I need to go through this and throw, like, stuff that's already gone. But it's bad. But moving on, we have the toilet area. Don't worry, y'all. I just cleaned it, so I have some robes. I have this little art piece that I got from Home Goods. I also got this one from Home Goods. This is a really cute Vogue style painting. And I have a little Yankee candle. The shower is pretty basic. You open it up, you have all of the basic necessities. I just cleaned my shower, so she's just a normal bathtub shower. Then moving on to the closet area, I got blessed with this bedroom, y'all. I have more little bottles and spiritual stuff. I have all of my jewelry right here. I have some memorable stuff. I have candles, lotion, incense, and a candle. Then we have my old mirror that I used to keep literally where the other one was. I have my Coach bag, extra bags from like Walmart and stuff. I have all my cardigans in here. Just a little sweater for display, and then we have all my jeans. Back here I have extra bedding. There's nothing really back there. And then I have my laundry basket and all of my clothes, hoodies and crew necks, and then perfume. I also love to keep my Ariana Grande boxes.
Makeup, something I had to earn, but it's water in the morning and letting my body learn. This clean skin, soft light, this rest that shows in my eyes. This is how I hold my shoulders when I stop living rushed. I don't chase it, I make space for it. I come back.
Hey, if y'all stuck to the end, you are a real one. Thank you so much for watching my little fangirl room tour. I have lots of fan stuff. You can tell I love to be clean, but I love to have a lot of stuff displayed in my room. I'm very particular about that stuff. But I'm so happy y'all finally get to see my room after all of this time being at this house. Even if y'all haven't watched me before, I'm still happy y'all got to see it. I've worked really hard. I've done all the decorating by myself, and throughout all 5 years I've lived here, which is crazy to say. Again, I just want to thank you guys, and if you guys have any questions at all, please comment below. I'll tell you, you know, where I got anything. If y'all are interested in any of the furniture, I'll let y'all know where I got that. But I just wanted to let y'all know I do have a very serious, like, mental health vlog. I open up a lot in this video, and it gets really deep. It goes through the ups and downs of depression and anxiety and, like, the lowest lows that I ever really, not ever went through in my life, but it was pretty bad. If you guys want to see documented footage of a depressive episode and what that might look like, if you want to watch it for comfort, if you want to watch it maybe to learn more about, you know, just feelings in general, I don't know. But if you guys want to watch that, that is coming next week. I already have it filmed. I just wanted to wait a little bit till I got in a better headspace, but I'm excited to share. I'm also really terrified to share that video just because it is the most personal I've ever been, and they're strangers on the internet, you know. Y'all, the cream soda Dr. Pepper, zero sugar, is the best. Like, zero sugar soda is the, like, only soda I will drink, or diet, because I've just gotten better at drinking less sugar. I don't want to drink sugar. But yeah, y'all check this out. Anyways, enough about all of that stuff. I really hope you guys enjoy my room as much as I do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you haven't watched my last video, I haven't posted in a long time, so y'all are probably, if y'all keep up with the videos, y'all are expecting this one. So I'll see y'all